How to use cheapest car insurance options revealed properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Finding cheap car insurance sounds appealing, but most beginners make mistakes that can leave them underinsured or paying more later. The surprising truth is that the lowest price isn't always the smartest choice. The first mistake is focusing exclusively on cost. Cheap policies often have high deductibles, low liability limits, and minimal coverage for accidents or theft. Prioritize adequate protection over minor savings. Another common error is ignoring the small print. Exclusions, claim limits, and coverage gaps can turn a cheap policy into a financial risk during an accident. Always read policies carefully. Many people forget to verify eligibility for discounts. Safe driving, bundling, or low mileage programs can lower premiums without compromising coverage. Overlooking these opportunities is a common costly mistake. A surprising mistake is failing to compare quotes across multiple platforms. Even cheapest options can vary widely depending on the insurer. Take time to compare several providers before committing. Finally, some assume online reviews alone guarantee a reliable company. Claim service quality, customer support, and financial stability matter just as much as cost. Research before finalizing a policy. To properly use the cheapest car insurance options, focus on coverage quality, read the fine print, apply discounts, compare multiple quotes, and research the insurer's reliability. Avoiding these mistakes ensures low-cost coverage that still protects you when it matters most.